Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Christine, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a user persona for the product you are going to design. Are you ready? Well, first of all, what is a persona? A persona is a fictional figure. It's like a character in a novel. A persona represents a group of similar people who would use the product you invent for them. Building a persona will help you to think from your user's perspective, to put yourself into your user's shoes, so that the product you're designing will actually be very useful, helpful, and comfortable to use for them. Imagine now, for example, you're trying to design a flying bicycle for your school friends. You really need to think about how tall are they on average and how long their arms are on average. If you don't think about this kind of question beforehand, you might end up designing a bicycle that is too high to sit on, or the handle is too far away to reach, and that is not very safe for your school friends. Now that we know it's very important to create a persona before designing a product, let's start to create one. The thing we need: pen, paper, and lots of post-it notes. We will also be working on a worksheet. You can either download this worksheet from our Kidovation website and print it out, or you can always create your own one on paper. The structure and layout is very simple, and you can use any kind of color you want to create this worksheet yourself. Firstly, let's give your persona a name. And next, let's do a quick rough sketch of your persona so you can imagine how they might look like. And also think about what's their favorite quote or life motto. And next, we can move down to these 4 blocks here. Firstly, let's think about your persona. Just in general, what's your personality? Think about how tall they are, how old they are, what kind of jobs they have, or are they a student? And next, let's think about your persona's friends and family, and the world they're living in. And then let's think about what your persona like to do on a normal day. And also, what's your persona's favorite thing in the world? What kind of favorite food, favorite activity, favorite music, anything. And last, we need to think about what does your persona care about the most? And does your persona have any particular worries and why? Now let's pause this video for 5 minutes so we can work on this worksheet and create our own persona. So who is your persona? Would you like to share your persona and the story with us in the comments below? We would really love to see your awesome creation. Thanks very much for watching this video, and we really hope you enjoyed this little exercise. Please remember, always thinking about your user before creating a product to make sure that your creation will be really helpful for them. If you like this mini design challenge, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more mini design challenges just like this one. Please keep on making and keep on being awesome. I'll see you in the next activity.